Just because a company advertises everywhere doesn't mean they are trustworthy. Some of the most heavily promoted gold IRA firms, they've got pages of complaints when you actually look beneath the surface. So how do you find out what's real and what's just marketing? Let me show you how to dig a little deeper. It only takes just a few minutes. So here's how I like to check a company's reputation without relying on their ads. Step 1, go to bbb.org and search for the company name. You're not just looking at the rating, scroll down to the complaints section. What types of issues keep coming up? Is it delays, misleading fees, or pushy sales? Step 2, you can head to trustpilot.com and do the same. Look at the lowest reviews first, not just the 5 stars. And if you want a third checkpoint, try businessconsumeralliance.org. It's a little old school, but some complaints get posted there before anywhere else. When you see the same red flags across multiple review sites, that's usually a sign. Now compare that to companies that consistently show clean reputations year after year. If you want a quick way to evaluate gold IRA companies beyond the ads, I've linked a free checklist below this video. It's designed to help you cut through the noise and focus on what actually matters. You can grab it in the description. One of the most useful tools in that free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide is the Company Integrity Checklist. It helps you spot warning signs like high pressure sales, inconsistent policies, or poor reviews before you hand over your savings. And it's not just that one checklist. You will also get free PDFs on fees, buybacks, storage, and more. The ultimate guide is linked down below. No calls, no strings, just helpful info to back you up. So if you're trying to compare companies and want a little peace of mind, download the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide. You would see the link in the description below. The guide is built for everyday investors who just want honest answers.